Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business presentation slide using Posterize in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and set up my slide canvas. I import the image and duplicate it instantly. I apply Posterize and carefully reduce the levels. I pause here because presentation visuals must support business clarity. I adjust until the image feels simplified, not confusing. I mask back important details using a soft brush. I zoom in to refine edges and maintain sharpness. I choose clean colors that feel professional. I add business text and align it using guides for precision. I check hierarchy, headline first, support text second,